3 types of men you should avoid. When we have a relationship that does not work, we would like to have seen the signs that show us that man was not suitable. For that and other reasons we bring you these 3 types of men that fortunately for you they send alarm signals that are easy to identify and tell you it's time for you to run out of there. These 3 types of men are easy to identify and keeping going with them is toxic to you. If you go out with any of them, go away and look for a better match for you. 1. The hurt. You know that it is one of these specimens when you begin to talk about his life. He tells you of his great tragedy and how much he suffered for all the damage that his ex or more than one did, as they used, mistreated, and cheated him. He was just a victim of the circumstances. He may not even outperform his ex and he is not ready for a new relationship, or he just likes to become the victim and deny his share of responsibility to manipulate you. Be careful. 2. The psychologist. This man asks you all your problems. He wants to know everything about you, and he will always have advice to give you. He wants to know everything about you, your childhood traumas, as much information as possible about the things that affect you or hurt you, or he likes to see you suffer, or outright wants to know everything about you in time to use this information to hurt you. Of course, it is normal that when a boy is meeting you wants to know about you, but pay attention as this one wants to know everything. 3. The best friend of his ex. Of course it is normal to be friends of some ex. The key is in what he says about her. If everything she does is good, she does not make mistakes, her current dates do not deserve her, and he only has praise for her or refuses to present her to you, be careful. It may be that he is still in love with her and he's only using you to overcome her. Value the situation, and if you are willing to endure that situation you could end up hurt. Source: http://lahijadelatchingada.com. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about how to get a boyfriend in 30 days, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.